Need to stop your Xero plan? Here's how to cancel your Xero subscription safely and avoid getting charged again. Firstly, we're going to click on our company name. Next, we're going to click on the option Subscription and Billing. As you can see, it tells us we're in trial, so now you're going to click on the 3 dots next to the Buy Now section. Next, click on Cancel Subscription. To confirm our trial cancellation, it asks us what our main reason for canceling is. You can choose from the options presented above, or even write your own reasons on the space below. Once you're done with that, click on Confirm Cancellation, and your subscription will be gone. Your account stays in read-only mode for a while, so you can still export data or reports. After you cancel, Xero keeps your data in read-only mode for several years, usually up to 7, depending on your country. You can still log in, view past invoices, download reports, and even reactivate your subscription later if you change your mind. So don't worry, you're not losing your records, you're just stopping future billing. Before you leave, it's smart to export your financial data, like invoices, bank statements, or reports. You can do this by going to Accounting, Reports, opening what you need, and clicking Export as PDF or Excel. And that's how you cancel your Xero subscription. Quick, simple, and no hidden steps. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you again.